Hi, in this video I am demonstrating how I combine acrylic paint and different types of charcoal mediums including soft charcoal and how I seal them to the canvas board. I'm going to start my drawing by using liquid charcoal. I will thin this with a little bit of water, and as you can see it's a very fluid, loose medium and a wonderful way to begin the drawing. I'm now adding burnt umber that I thinned out with a little bit of water. It will add a beautiful warm undertone to the painting of this lion. And as you can see, I did begin with a toned canvas board using a combination of acrylic paint in Naples yellow and titanium white. I'm now using a sponge to blend the charcoal back, and I really do enjoy the smoky appearance that it gives to the drawing. Building the layers using different mediums really does add a lot of depth and interest to the drawing or painting. And then using a paper towel as a blending tool also is very helpful. Using yellow ochre paint, I now set the color of the lion's eyes. I find that using a Q-tip actually is a very useful tool in applying the paint. At this stage, I want to seal my drawing, so I will go outside and apply several coats of the Acrylic brand matte spray. And be sure just to follow the directions on the can. And now this painting or drawing is ready for the next step, which is the isolation coat. And this completely seals the surface of this drawing. And you'll just want to apply nice, even strokes with slight overlap between each stroke. I allow this to dry completely, and then I decided to go ahead and add more acrylic paint to this painting. What I really enjoy about this process is how you can combine a painterly effect with the beautiful strokes of a drawing. And by sealing the artwork, you don't have to worry about the charcoal moving or coming off the surface. It really is a lot of fun, and I hope you'll try this process too. I allowed the painting to dry, and I decided to once again apply the isolation coat, but this time in a different manner. I just want to apply it to where I just laid down the fresh charcoal marks. So I poured a little bit of that isolation coat into a little spray bottle and applied it through the hole in this little piece of paper just on the fresh charcoal marks that I just laid down. I want to seal this powdery charcoal once again to the surface of the painting. The isolation coat does go on a little bit white, but it does dry completely clear. I hope you enjoyed this incredibly fun process of combining mark making of drawing with the painterly strokes of painting. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and I will be posting new videos really soon. Thank you again. Bye.